In this video, I'm going to teach you what to do when your Venmo transfer actually disappeared. As you have noticed, this user also have the same problem. There is a transfer to bank account went missing and money is gone. So they actually transferred two identical amounts of Venmo to bank, both within 20 minutes, and the bank only shows one transfer, and they have zero balance on Venmo after that, which means around $600 missing. So as you can see on the update from this thread, that money did show up eventually 5 days later. There's definitely a duplicate transaction security identifier of some sort on the back end of Venmo, so it actually disappears on that end. So of course they're not going to let them talk to IT team and confirm it, but it's actually what's happened on this option. So since this is actually a duplicate transaction, it actually disappeared onto the actual part or transaction. So for this case, you can head over and make sure here that you can get your money back right there as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this feature helped you.